I've been really fortunate to have been the writer in residence here at the Stratford Chefs School for the last couple of weeks. And it's been an amazing experience. I mean, sure, I've taught writing to the students, but just being here in Stratford has been fantastic, and taking in how much of a creative hub this community of 30,000 people really is. It's very inspiring. It's a great place, a great setting for a culinary school. And it's also been incredible to watch the students cooking here in the kitchen, and every night there's a dinner. This little room operates as a functioning restaurant, and to see the skills that the students have, from their knife skills to their organizational skills to their cooking chops, it's been really amazing to watch, and I can't believe the confidence that they have after such a short period of time. It's so impressive, and I know in 5 years from now, when I walk into kitchens across the country, there's no doubt that I'm going to see a lot of these students working there.